There's a lot of ways you can get into Task Manager, and you will need to get into Task Manager a lot. If a app freezes or a process freezes, you need to be able to kill it. So you can use run or command prompt and just put task mgr, and then I'll kill Task Manager, and it will kill it instantly. You can either use Control Alt Delete, and then Task Manager will come up. Or you can click down here on the menu bar. You got Task Manager. Just type Task Manager in the search bar. Might as well do the command prompt as well. And PowerShell as well. It's actually already running, so. And you have to spell it right as well. So task mgr. For some reason my G ain't working. There you go. Loads of ways to get into it, but you do need to know that at some point you're going to need Task Manager to kill things.